Hi guys, book name The Warren Buffett Way, चैप्टर 5 सिग्मा इवेंट का थर्ड पेज पढ़ने जा रहा हूँ. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. Bill Gates said of his friend, Warren will be remembered not only as the greatest investor, but the world's greatest investor for good. This will most currently be true. But it is important to remember that the good his philanthropic generally well-do was made possible in the first place by his unparalleled investing skill. When Buffett handed the letter and check for $30 billion to Melinda Gates, I immediately thought back to another check he had written 50 years early for $100. His initial investment in the Buffett Partnership Ltd. Buffett has always claimed he won the Orion lottery. He fingers the odds of him being born in 1930 in the United States were about 30:1. When admitted he couldn't throw fast and would never have been a good football player, neither despite his talent at plucking a unlule would he ever become a concert violinist. But he was wired in a particularly way that would allow him to thrive in a big capitalist economy with a lot of action. My wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest, said Buffett. My luck was accounted by my living in a market system that sometimes produced destroyed result. Thought overall it serves our country well. To keep it all in perspective, Buffett humbly reminds us that he happens to work in an economy that rewards someone who saves lives of others on a battlefield with a medal, rewards a great teacher with thank you notes from parents, but rewards those who can detect the mispricing of securities with some reaching into the billions. He called it facts capricious distribution of long stars. That might be true, but in my mind, Buffett carved his own destiny, which determined his own fact, not the other way around. This is the story of how Warren Buffett made his one long straw. सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही, और नेक्स्ट डे पर्सनल हिस्ट्री एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट बिगिनिंग्स पढ़ूंगा. सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. ओके, गुड बाय.